Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to BGS class. How are you? I hope you are well. Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter 10, Topic 1, the largest continent. What is our topic today? The largest continent. So students, please everybody open your book. Page number 48. First read the book properly. After finishing your reading, I will explain the whole topic. So, what is our topic? The largest continent. So, at first, we have to learn what is the continent. What is called continent? A continent is a very large area of land that consists of several countries. This is called continent. There are 7 continents in the world. How many continents are there in the world? The 7 continents. Asia, this is the name of the continents. Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia, and the last one is Antarctica. This is the name of the continents. How many continents are there in the world? 7 continents. What are they? Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia, and Antarctica. This is the name of the continents. Can you see it? Okay, after finish, then we have to learn the largest continent. Do you know which one is the largest continent of the world? The largest continent of the world is Asia. What is the name of the largest continent of the world? Asia. Everybody look at the book and look at the picture. This is the world map and this is the Asia continent. This is the picture of the Asia continents. Look. Okay, now we have to learn the name of some countries name in Asia. Do you know which countries are belong to the Asia? There is a lots of countries in Asia. There is the name. There are some name of the countries in Asia. India, Bangladesh, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Japan, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Russia, Nepal, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Mongolia. There is a lots of countries in Asia. Look at the picture. This is the China, this is the India, this is the Nepal, this is the Pakistan. Can you see or can you find the map of the Bangladesh? No. Yes, not here. Myanmar, look. This is the Bangladesh here. Bangladesh. This one, this purple, the little one. This is the map of Bangladesh. So, this is all the map of the Asia continent, and this is the all of the countries name. So now we have to know about some information about the Asia. Do you know the information? Look, the Asia. Asia covers almost third of the Earth's surface. Largest size in population. 60% of the world population live in Asia. 48 countries. How many countries in Asia continent? 48 countries. And Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. This is the information of the Asia. Now we have to know the climate of Asia. How is the climate of Asia? Do you know? Here the climate of Asia. Hottest part is the desert in the center of Asia. Coldest part is Siberia. The driest part have rain in winter but none in summer. Where is the driest part? In Asia, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Israel. And the wettest part have high rainfall and high temperatures. The countries like Malaysia, Indonesia have the high rainfall and high temperatures. This is the information of the climate of Asia. After finishing this, I will explain or I will summarize the whole topic. Look through the flowchart. Can you see the flowchart, students? Okay. First, continent. What is called continent? A continent is a very large area of land that consists of several countries. Now, we have to know the name of the 7 continents. How many continents are there in the world? The 7 continents. And the name of the 7 continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia, and Antarctica. Now the largest continent. Do you know what is the name of the largest continent of the world? Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Why? Because Asia covers a third of the Earth's surface. The largest population live in the Asia. 60% of the world's population live in Asia. 48 countries. There are 48 countries in Asia. That is why the Asia is the largest continent of the world. Now we have to know the name of some countries in Asia like India, Bangladesh, China, Bhutan, Pakistan, Japan, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Russia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Israel, Iraq, etc. There are 48 countries in Asia. Now we have to know the climate of Asia. How was the climate of Asia? The hottest part is the desert in the central of Asia. Coldest part is Siberia. The driest part have rain in winter, but in summer there is no rain. The country of the driest part is Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Israel, and the wettest part have high rainfall and high temperature. The wettest part of the countries are Indonesia and Malaysia. This is, I summarize the whole topic through the flowchart. After finishing this, we'll read the whole lecture sheet properly and practice the all exercise. For today, my class is over. So take care students. For today, Allah Hafiz.